Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2025 seasonal assortment DXT91 H case. H case this year coincidentally stands for Halloween. So we are on the Halloween mix. It's July, it's Halloween. I guess that makes sense because we've seen stores already start putting out Halloween supplies. So Halloween is right around the corner. Just what, 4 months away, 3 months away, less than 4 months away. So, very excited for this mix. Unlike Halloween cars of years past, these are all brand new. So these are all new designs. Nothing being carried forward from previous years. So that is exciting. This case comes over from Jcar Diecast. So thank you again, Jcar Diecast, for sending this over and supporting the case unboxings. Make sure you check out jcardiecast.com. I think Jcar actually has a sale on this case right now. So make sure you check out jcardiecast.com for your Halloween case cars. One thing I will note, I love these Halloween cases because they come with duplicates. I give them out to the neighbor kids for Halloween, for trick-or-treating. So it is always fun to have these cars in abundance. All right, first cars out of the case is the number 2 of 5, the Diesel Duty. 4 of those in this case. Diesel Duty in orange. I think this case, what does it have? We are looking at a 24 count case. So, and 5 cars. So 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 cars of each. So, all right. Diesel Duty, skull wheels, eyeballs on the deco. Cool casting. Not my favorite, but my favorite is actually coming up next. So one of my favorite castings of Hot Wheels of all time, actually. I love this casting. I don't know why I love it so much, but I just do. It is the Night Shifter. One of my favorite designs. I just love the Night Shifter. I love collecting it. There are 5 of those in this case. The Night Shifter. Oh, we got the, I just noticed the little zombie, font that they use. That's pretty cool. The Night Shifter here is with white skull wheels, black skulls, and matte black, and like a little peeping Grim Reaper on the sides. So always love this casting. Little tanks coming out, the motor going through the windshield there. Chrome interior, because it is a really just awesome interior. I love this car. I don't know, just something about it. It's like this fastback style, unlicensed design, but the round headlights, something about it just is fast and kind of like almost a little sinister. So I guess a great placement in the Halloween series, right? Ooh, spooky card art. Sweet. So 5 of those in this case. Night Shifter fans rejoice. All right, next one out of the case is what is this? The See You Later. Yeah, the See You Later. So See You Later's been around for a while, since what, the mid 2000s, right? Or early 2000s. Not one of my favorite designs. Only 4 of those in this case? Yeah. Yeah, it looks like 4 of those in this case. So See You Later. What is it? What's on the side here? Oh, a spider. Spider web with a fly and a spider web. Skull on the back of the spider. Yeah. Cool. That one is not my favorite. We're going to save this one. Let's see. Okay. This is the 6er, right? Oh, wow. 6 in this case. So these case counts, I believe these should be pretty consistent. I don't believe these case counts alter at all. So the hologram is back. It's kind of like a robo, right? Like a robo or electronic, some sort of electric, like semi-truck. And yeah, I think it's like a robo semi-truck, but it's got like a gargoyle bat on the sides here, sneaking out of a little creepy scene here. A gargoyle bat, a bat. I guess it's just a bat, right? That's just a bat face. And then a tree with an owl in it. Got the chrome green skull rims. I love how all these cars have the skull rims on them. Yeah. I don't know. This casting is just, there's something about it. I'm just not sure. But as always, though, I love that I'm going to be just to get these, like, I know the neighborhood kids are going to love these, so I'm super pumped for Halloween. The card art on these always makes it much better, especially when the kids see it for the first time. So excited to pop these in the wagon when I'm taking my kids trick-or-treating and surprise a few local kids. So if you're in my neighborhood and you're wearing a Hot Wheels outfit or Hot Wheels anything, you're getting one of these for sure. All right, last car out of the case is the Hollowback in red. So the former Acceleracers car, there's 5 of these in the case. And it comes in like a dark red. So another one of my, I love this casting. It's kind of taken some hits since its original release in the Acceleracers line, but it's still a cool car. And yeah, it's still got that like little, almost like spare wheel in the back. I used to love how this like was a separate piece, the part that comes over the engine, and kind of like that rounded glass roof. It kind of feels like these, before all like the cars started having rounded glass roofs like that, you saw it on this Hot Wheel like this before. So, and what's on the side is like some sort of like troll or fire zombie, or what is that? You tell me. Let me know in the comments what you think that is. But yeah, cool set. Like, these are all, I love all the, I always love the Halloween cars. They always just are so cool and have such a personality to them. Again, super pumped to add the Night Shifter to my collection. Let's talk in the comments though. Let me know what you think. What's your favorite? I know some people are not big fans of unlicensed design, but this video is not for you then, because these are all unlicensed. These are all fun. These are all Halloween. And I'm super stoked to give these out for Halloween. Let me know in the comments what your favorite is. If you have a favorite, again, make sure you check out jcardiecast.com for your cases. Jcar's got a deal on these right now, so make sure you go to Jcar Diecast and, hey, buy a couple for the neighborhood kids, right? Buy a couple cases. Let's clean out Jcar and buy them for the neighborhood kids. Trick-or-treating's just around the corner. Thank you again for watching.